Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Yoast redirects to fix 404 errors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Yoast redirects to fix 404 errors, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Yoast SEO plugin in the left-hand menu. Hover over the SEO option and click on Redirects. You'll be taken to the Redirects interface. If you have 404 errors to address, you can find them under the 404 Errors tab. Review the list of 404 errors displayed. Identify the specific URL that is returning a 404 error. Take note of the URL you wish to redirect from. Now, switch to the Redirects tab. Locate the option to add a new redirect. In the old URL field, enter the 404 URL. In the new URL field, enter the URL where you want visitors to be redirected. Select the type of redirect from the drop-down menu. Typically a 301 redirect is recommended. Once you've filled out the fields, click on the Add Redirect button. Confirm that the redirect appears in your list of active redirects. You can repeat this process for additional 404 errors as needed. To check if the redirects are working, go to each old URL in your browser. Make sure they redirect correctly to the new destination. This process will help improve the user experience on your site by eliminating dead links. Regularly monitor for new 404 errors to ensure your redirects are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.